Lorena and welcome back to my channel. Do I look too shiny? I think it's the light. And for today's video, I am so excited that we have a Fashion Nova try-on haul. Yay! Here's the bag. So before you panic and start wondering,
Lorena, aren't you supposed to be more financially responsible?
Girl, I am. So I don't know if you guys remember a couple videos back, or maybe like last video, I don't really remember. I told myself I was gonna stop shopping because I needed to, you know, save up and stuff. Well, I am. Because a few days after that, I got an email that was reminding me to use a gift card that I have with Fashion Nova from a return I made a long time ago. So I was like, it's the perfect time to use it. So here we are. I made the order on Saturday, like around 11:30 is when I placed it in the morning. And I got my order by 3 p.m. on Monday. Oh my goodness, like Fashion Nova, you're doing something right. Thank you for getting this to me so fast and before 4th of July. I picked up a few pieces and I'm so excited to share them with you guys. Let's see how they fit, what I think, and yeah, let's just get into this video. All right, you guys, so we're starting off with the first dress. This is the Normandy bandage dress in the size small. The color is tomato, and I got it for $31.99 with the discount code, which is amazing. First of all, this dress is very comparable to dresses from Guess, which can range from $90 to like $150, and they have some really good bandage dresses. I love the details on this dress, like the thick strap right here. It hides any little bulges that might come out. I love the neckline. It's just a deep V. It's very flattering, and it elongates your neck. And I love this detail in the back. It keeps the straps from falling off, and it's very cute. The only thing about this dress is that I thought it would be like a brighter red color, and it's not. It's more of an orange, but I'm still really like into it because I think it's very summery. I actually wore it this past weekend for a party, and I got a lot of compliments on it. So I would highly recommend this dress. It just fits like a glove. Super comfortable. It has a very thick zipper, which is very important because you don't want your zipper getting stuck or breaking. I would highly recommend this dress. Super cute, and they have it in like a lot of other colors. All right, you guys, so for the next dress, this is the Dare to Mock Me dress in a size small in the color red. And with the discount code, I got it for $27.99, which is a really great deal. It's a very nice dress. It's just very thin, slinky fabric. This is definitely something more for like winter because of the long sleeves. I'm not sure if to keep it or not. It fits pretty well, but it's just so thin. I don't like how the zipper bulges right here in the back. So I think that would be something I would be struggling with all night. It has a really cool tulip hem in the bottom, and it's long enough that you wouldn't be like exposing yourself. I really like this little cutout right here. I think it's very interesting, but overall, I don't think I'm going to be keeping this dress. It's very cute, but it's just so thin. I don't even know if you can see my underwear in this, but it's probably a no for me. All right, you guys, so for the next dress, this is the Cross My Body dress in the color black. It's, of course, in a size small, and with the discount code, I got it for $32, which is really great. This is a black bandage style dress. I love this little off-the-shoulder cut right here. I think it's very like elegant. And, of course, everyone needs a black dress in their closet, and I don't have a plain black dress. However, what I don't like about this dress is in the back, I feel like it pulls on my bulges right here and these little holes. So I'm not sure if I'll be keeping it. It does come to the top of the knees, very comfortable, form-fitted. It hugs in all the right places, I feel like. Very comfortable. I do like the look of the golden zipper in the back. I think it's cool, but I'm not sure about keeping it. I think I'm gonna return it just because I don't feel 100% confident in it, but it's definitely a great dress, and I would urge you to try it. For this next dress, this is the Oh So Fresh mini dress in the color white, in a size small, and I got it for $27.99 with the discount code. I picked this dress because I thought it would be so different. I love the mesh detailing, and like I thought it would be a cool look, especially because I have been loving the all white look. However, it does not complement me at all. You can see my underwear, like it's just very see-through. I think even if you wore nude underwear, it would still be very see-through. I don't like that the zipper kind of ruches in the back. It's a gold zipper, it's cute. I love the idea of this dress. It just does not fit me, but it might fit you. So cute, but no. All right, you guys, so I decided to try the Roll In With My Friends tulle dress in black in a size small. that I got for $15.99 with the discount code with this little snake print blouse. I did not get it from Fashion Nova. I already had it. This top is actually from Shein. Very, very cute. I love this bow. But I tried it on with this dress because without it, the dress cuts into me right here, into my little arm bulges, and it's just not very flattering. Either way, I would wear it with the blouse because I just like that look with these pinafore style dresses. What I can say about this dress is that it's very, very soft. So you could wear it all day and not feel claustrophobic or like you just want to take it off. It's very soft. It does unbutton all the way, so the buttons do work. And it's very cute. I just don't think it goes with the type of style I was going for. I would probably purchase this dress in like a light denim color or something. I think that would be really cute with other like more casual blouses. But yeah, I think I'm going to return this because I don't see me wearing it much. Yeah, I'm just not feeling it very much, but it's very cute and I definitely recommend you guys try it. We have the Without Your Kisses dress in the color fuchsia, size small, and with the discount code, I got this dress for $16. It's a beautiful bright pink color that I thought would go perfect with these pink heels I have. However, I'm not in love with it because it's like a lot shorter than I expected. It has really cute spaghetti straps, but I don't like spaghetti strap dresses. I don't know if you've noticed from my other options. I'm either off the shoulder or thick straps or literally anything else but spaghetti straps. I don't like how they look on me. They make me look very wide. I love that this dress has a very cute detailing right here. Like, it's like a knot almost, and then it shows a little bit of skin right here. I love the ruffle at the bottom. I think it's so cute. However, this dress is extremely thin and you can see like everything. And I just don't like that, as well as the straps. So for those reasons, I will not be keeping this dress either. So that's it for my Fashion Nova try-on haul. I hope you enjoyed seeing these pieces. They were all really wonderful. But as you know, I will only be keeping one, and that's the Normandy bandage dress in the color tomato in the size small, of course. It was the first piece I tried on, and it was the one I absolutely loved. If I would have loved everything, of course I would have kept it, but I don't want to be filling my closet up with things that I'm not like super in love with and that I know I'm going to wear again and again. That's okay. I definitely urge you, if you can and if you want, to log on to Fashion Nova. Look for some pieces that you think are really cool that you want to try on, and then once they get there, try them on. See what styles fit you, what styles don't, because that'll help you in the future when ordering online on pretty much any website, because a lot of the styles are pretty similar. So be on the lookout for another Fashion Nova haul in the future once I get that little gift card in, or store credit, whatever it is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, as well as subscribe to my channel if you want to see all my future content, and hit the notifications bell if you want to be notified every time I upload. That's pretty much it from me, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.